Hey guys, this is Victor, the Wise Traditions Nutritionist from Vitagenics. And today I want to speak to you about epic poop. I know it sounds kind of funny or maybe sounds disgusting, but really I want to speak about understanding a key sign of good health, and that is if you've got epic poop. So what does it mean, epic poop? Well, actually, there is a very formal Bristol stool chart. So your stool, your poop, whatever you want to call it, your bowel movement, etc. We have this kind of rating system, and you want to be like right in the middle. And again, this is really important. It's really a key sign of good health if you've got really good poop. So, of course, one of the keys to getting that is kefir, and we'll speak a little bit more about that too, because you want to know, of course, how to get epic poop. So, again, we're taking a look at this chart. It's a little bit more colorful way to look at it. You see that smiling guy in the middle? That's what you want your poop to look like. It should be, yeah, smooth and big, etc. And in more specifically, actually, it really should be large, right? It should be epic in size. It should not be small like the little emoji character above me. It really should be big, smooth, solid. It should come out easy, right? So your bowel movement should be easy. It should not be difficult to get it out. Of course, if you're constipated, you've got this type 1, type 2, maybe even type 3, it's more difficult to get it out. And then it should be clean, actually, meaning you really shouldn't need much toilet paper, if any at all. Right? So you look around in nature, animals don't run around carrying toilet paper. It comes out and that's it. Everything is good to go. Our bodily functions are designed to get rid of the waste in a very clean, efficient manner. Okay, and quickly. It should come out quick and easy without pain, etc. And finally, it should not float in the toilet, right? It should actually sink. If it floats, it just means that you're not digesting all the fats and oils effectively. So maybe you need some digestive aids, like some bitters or whatever. Okay, so again, these are the good signs, are really key signs of good health. Okay, if you have a really good bowel movement, if you have epic poop. And how do you get epic poop? Well, the key is really probiotics, and king among those is kefir. So if you want epic poop, start making your own milk kefir at home. The probiotics in milk kefir are phenomenal. It shouldn't be the only probiotic in your diet, right? Eat sauerkraut and many other fermented foods, kimchi, etc., whatever, depending on where you live. Different countries have different common probiotic foods. So definitely get your probiotics going. Again, kefir is just magical. And I actually decided to do this video because I was remembering about a story that actually my cousin wrote about epic poop, about her son, my little cousin, having this really epic poop because he was drinking tons of kefir. So if you've got constipation or diarrhea, kefir, even on its own, can go a long way to getting you on the road to epic poop. And kefir is not just probiotics, right? But you've got to remember that when you go to the bathroom, like half or more than half of your bowel movement, of your stool, is bacteria, dead bacteria and bacterial waste. So, the makeup of your gut biome is so, so important. And in addition to that, your kefir is providing you with many other things, okay? Vitamins, minerals, quality proteins, healthy fats, enzymes, peptides, and it's anti-inflammatory, among other things. So definitely try to get yourself going on the kefir, and you too can have epic poop. So again, that's about all I've got. I just wanted to point out that you have a very powerful test kit like every day, right? That's a really good way to monitor your health. I have a blog post on this from a while ago that tells you the story of my cousin and gives you the details, or maybe even more details than I put here in this video. So I just wanted to put a quick video out and enlighten you as to what epic poop is all about. So I hope this helps. I hope it motivates you to check your poop and to also start drinking kefir. Good luck. Hope you subscribe. Thank you for watching.